Hey, hi guys. Am I audible? Hi, Maha, Brinda. Am I audible? Yeah, Maha, I'm doing good. Am I audible, guys? Please say yes. Okay, thank you. Hi, Roslyn. Hi, Priyamati. Priya Darshini, you're asking about the video. Am I right? Yeah, we will be uploading. Thank you, Priya. Good evening, Livishi. Hi, Ganga. Hi, Janani. Hi, Emma. Hi, Reshma. Hi, Shiny Queen. It's actually very nice. Good evening. Nice to meet you all after a very long time. ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நான் உங்க எல்லாரையுமே மீட் பண்ணி live session. It's been 2 weeks நினைக்கிறேன். I'm really excited, really happy. Hope everyone is safe. Everyone took your vaccine. அதுதான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். எல்லாரும் வேக்சின் எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Back to normal சீக்கிரமா போணும்னா everyone should take vaccine. So be very conscious about that. Wear mask. Follow social distance. இப்போ அங்கங்க கொஞ்சம் நார்மலைஸ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. அது அப்படியே நார்மலா கண்டினியூ ஆகுனா we have to take that care. நம்ம இண்டிவிஜுவல் கேர் தான் இப்போ ரொம்பவே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். So getting back to the topic, yeah, I'm so happy, Lata. So happy to see you all. Thanks for joining. So I think you all know about today's session. Today's session is all about transfer resistant makeup, which is very important at this point because everyone, what is transfer resistant makeup? First I'll put you a quick intro I'll give, okay? So basically makeup நம்ம வந்து அப்ளை பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்மளோட காலர்ல நம்மளோட ட்ரெஸ்ல இதெல்லாம் வந்து போய் டச் ஆயிடும். டச் ஆகும்போது அந்த என்ன சொல்றது அந்த ஷேட் ஃபவுண்டேஷனோட ஷேட் இதெல்லாம் போய் அது வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெயின் ஆயிடும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இல்லாத மேக்கப்பை தான் வந்து டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ப்ரூஃப் மேக்கப், டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ரெசிஸ்டன்ட் மேக்கப்னு சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ ஏன் அந்த யூஸ்வலாக நம்ம மேக்கப் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் we will be very conscious. பட் இப்போ even after applying we are supposed to wear mask. We don't have any other options. இது இன்னும் எவ்வளோ நாள் இருக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து தெரியாது. அட்லீஸ்ட் மேக்ஸிமம் ஆஃப் 2 years நம்மளுக்கு வந்து இருக்க போகுது. ஸோ ஹாய் கேண்டி. ஸோ we don't have any other options. இதை தவிர நம்மளுக்கும் கூட வேற எந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸும் இல்லை. ஸோ what we are going to do, we are going to adapt to the situation. What is best survival? Adapting to the situation is best survival. That's what we are going to do. But still நம்மளோட கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் லெவலில் நம்ம எப்போவுமே வந்து கீழே போட்டுற முடியாது. எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ டேக்கிங் எவ்ரிதிங் இன் கவுண்ட் we are here with this topic. And நான் லாஸ்ட் லைவ் செஷன் நடத்தும் போது everyone was asking எனக்கு இந்த மேக்கப் எனக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் செஷனில் சொல்லித்தாங்க அப்படின்னு. That's why we are here. So happy to see you all. Shall we start the makeup? Okay, so I'll complete the makeup. Okay, I'll complete the makeup. Then I will wear my mask and I'll show you. Maskல எதுமே வந்து டச் ஆயிருக்காது, மேக்கப் வந்து ரிமூவ் ஆயிருக்காது. That's what I'm going to show you today. So after that you do the makeup, you replicate the makeup, you recreate the look, then you just send me the photos and videos. Already நம்ம saree challengeல everyone did well. So as we promised, we gave the what is that free course, special customized course to 3 students we gave. So we kept our promise up. So even this time I'm expecting the photos and videos from you. I'll complete the look and you people have to send the same kind of thing. நீங்க பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் மேக்கப் உங்க மாஸ்க்ல வந்து ஒட்டி இருக்க கூடாது. That's how it must be. Okay, just give me 2 seconds. Yeah, I applied my foundation. நான் ஃபேஸ்ல நான் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டேன். Now I'm going to quickly do my eye makeup. So eye makeup is really mandatory because நம்மளோட ஐஸ் மட்டும் தான் வெளியில வந்து பாப் அப் ஆகி தெரிய போகுது. I'm using my Elegant concealer. A very less amount is more. Hi Nivi. I'm not going to use any shimmers today. Without using shimmers, I'm going to make my eyes really popped up. Shimmers use பண்ணாமவே நீங்க வந்து உங்க eyes வந்து நல்லா pop up பண்ணி காமிக்க முடியும். It's possible. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm not going to use any shimmer. I'll complete my eyebrows at the end. I'm setting the eye base using translucent powder. I'm going to pop up my eyes. As I said, நீங்க மாஸ்க் போடும்போது உங்களுக்கு கம்ப்ளீட்டா உங்க ஐ மட்டும் தான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து வெளியில வந்து தெரிய போகுது. So we can play with that. I'm playing on the crease. So as I always say, likewise. So we will call this as wiper motion. Whatever you are doing here, you have to immediately do this side as well. Don't forget that. Because in makeup, symmetry is important. Without symmetry, makeup will not look good. Makeup will not look that great. I'm not going to use any shimmer. Just a complete mattifying look, even the eye makeup, but still I'm going to make my eyes bigger. Always concentrate on the eye makeup, about the symmetrical play. That is very important. I'm using wine and brown, Lata. I'm using wine and brown. Okay. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using a thin brush. I hope you can see me. I'm going to do half cut crease. just blend the product. Once you are done with that, whenever you are going to apply cream product, we are supposed to set that with powder. So just diffuse that harsh line as well. Now blend the outer V. Now I'm going to use a lighter shade. Hi Gopika, I'm fine. So just give a... I'm just using the mattifying shade here, not the one which is shimmer. I'm not using any shimmery shades, as I said before. Whenever you're using light shade, you can see your eyes getting popped up. So that's what even I'm trying to do here. A complete mattified eye makeup. I didn't use any shimmer. And can you see the lid area? This is not my original space. This is not my original lid space. I made it really visible just using the shades. Okay. So can you see that? Can you see the big lid shape? This is just the illusion I made. Okay. Now I'm going to apply a liner, a very thin liner. Always stick to that. Always a very thin liner. If you're going to apply thick liner, it will not look that great. I'm using a Revlon palette Janu. I'm using Revlon. Sharantipa, thanks for the feedback, Sharantipa. All the feedbacks are welcome. Can you see this thin eyeliner you're supposed to keep? Such is good gel liner by Kryolan. That is the best liner. It will not get cakey soon, and it is still, though it is a international brand, but it is still affordable brand as well. So this is the best way to keep liner, not the thick one anyone can keep, but keeping thin liner is the tricky part. Yeah, I'm mentioning all the products, my dear. I'm using Krylon gel liner. I'm using a liner brush, not the angular one, a kind of bindi brush. It's very evident that I'm making my eyes pop up. As I said before, only eyes are going to be visible after wearing the mask. Only your forehead and eyes. So give importance to that. Always very thin on the edges. That's very important. Can you see? It's a very thin liner. That is what is very important while you are playing with the liner. And now I'm just going to use the same product as kajal. See, that's all. I'm not going to play on the lower lid. I'm not going to play on the lower lid. You can use this liner as kajal as well. The stay of this kajal is really good. So without using any shimmers, I make my eyes really popped up. So always stick to that. I'm so sorry, my AC is not working. I don't know. So I'm sweating a lot. Thank you, Brinda. Thank you, Vedika. Okay, so I'm moving on to the next step. Quickly, I'm just going to apply primer. Now, while you're doing transfer proof makeup, avoid oil kind of product. We have plenty of products, so use silicone based product. That is really best while you're doing such kind of makeup. Always use silicone based product while you're doing transfer proof makeup. Okay, you're not going to give any glossy look now. So I'm using LA Girls High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, one of my best primer. I like this primer personally because if you're applying silicone primer, what will happen, you know, you will get that extra products. It won't look good. Okay, it will take 15 minutes to set, but still, whereas ninga LA Girl in the primer use pannumbodhu, you will not have such problem. So whenever you are applying primer, preferably use your finger because you don't want much product. If it is going to be a primer, so you need very less product, so use your finger. Now it's perfect. I'm going to use concealer. So as I said before, neenga last Insta live paathiruninga ungalku theriyum, na eppome solluven, don't use lighter concealer. Okay, so one shade darker concealer, one shade darker than me. I'm not going to use any color corrector. less is more. I'm not going to give much layering up now. நீங்க நிறைய layering up கொடுத்தீங்க அப்படினா it's going to be a mess. நீங்க சீக்கிரமா உங்களோட மேக்கப் நீங்க வந்து மூவ் பண்ற மாதிரி ஆயிடும். So very less. A very quick I have very less pigment, but still it's everywhere. Under my eyes, around my lips, on my forehead, everywhere I have that. We can use Derma, yes, we can use Derma palette, but it's too dry. The product is too dry. The Derma palette is too dry, and you will get full coverage. We don't want full coverage. I don't want full coverage, and I don't have that many complication as well. Okay, now it's perfect. You can't see any pigmentation, any uneven skin. Okay, but I underplayed my complexion, so ஒரு shade நான் வந்து darker ஆயிருக்கேன். இதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்னா திரும்ப I have to bring my own shade. I'm going to use Huda Beauty's foundation. Here is the shade 400G. So basically a medium shade. I'll come under medium shade. I used Supra concealer. I used Supra. So again I'm going to use a brush. This brush is called Kapoki brush, or you can call this as Do It All brush. My own favorite brush. Actually என்னோட finger ரொம்ப means என்னோட இது பார்க்க ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கலாம், but no, I'm not blending any products. I'm just applying the product. நிறைய difference இருக்கு. Blending the product க்கும் applying the product க்கும் நிறைய difference இருக்கு. Don't blend the product. ஏனா already நீங்க உள்ள ஒரு shade போட்டுருக்கீங்க இல்லையா, நீங்க அது கூட நீங்க இந்த product நீங்க வந்து blend பண்ணும்போது you will get a different shade. So just don't blend the product. Dab the product and set the product. Dabbing. So எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு individual term இருக்கு. Blending is totally different. நம்ம ஐ மேக்கப் தான் நம்ம வந்து blend பண்ணுவோம். நம்ம இதுல வரும்போது ஃபேஸ் மேக்கப்ல வரும்போது we will not blend. We will just stipple, or we will just place the product, or else we will dab the product. I'm just going to do a very quick contour. Yeah, we can use PAC, we can use Maybelline. Yes, you can. I'm going to contour my face. A very less contour I'm going to add. A very less. Difference between what? Brinta Priyadarshini, what difference you want me to explain? So very less contour. You have to blend out the product. Yes, I am using cream concealer and the product name is D16 from Kryolan Derma palette. I am using the product from Derma. This is the best shade you could get. Yeah. Just blend out the product. Abhi RK, thank you. So best part in makeup for me is என்னோட nose ஷார்ப்பா காட்ட முடியும். இல்லாத ஒரு nose. So a very basic contour I did. I'm just going to use very less highlighter. I'm not going to use here because already the area is broad. A very less one. And I'll never forget to do on my nose. I'll never. As I said before, best part in order nose contour and highlights pandradhuda. Yeah. I'll explain, Brinda. I use the same cream highlighter, Candy Chocolate. LA Girls one. I used LA Girls Natural. So I use this highlight. Yeah. Now I'm going to add a very less blush. Okay. I'm not that fond of blush, but recently I love this shade. And you need not worry if you don't have blush, just use a peach shade lipstick. You just mix peach and red lipstick. You can mix, it depends upon the tone. Okay, that's perfect. In this point, in this stage, you can use what is that, fixing spray. You can use, as I said, na full away or mattified on a look pannitruken. So if you want, you can use fixing spray, where I'm going to set the makeup with fixing spray first. Then after a few seconds, you can apply powder, very less powder. I didn't use kajal. I used I used Kryolan's. Yeah, it's perfect. I used Kryolan's gel liner, so I used this as kajal. PAC, mattifying fixing spray. And the shimmers are and the fixing spray. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm going to apply powder. I was sweating badly, but still I managed to do the makeup. When you are doing your bridal, avungalukku sweat agum, avungalukku ella problemum irukum. So still you have to manage, and makeup shouldn't come out. That's the beauty of makeup. That is the beauty of makeup artist. It's perfect. Can you see? I'm going to apply lipstick powder name. I'm using Krylon's powder T11. Usually I love MAC microfinish powder. That is also a beautiful powder. I'm going to apply a lipstick. It is from Krylon. Avoid lip balm please, because நீங்க எதனா ஒரு மாதிரி ஆயிலியா மேட்டிஃபைங்கான லிப் பாம்ஸ் இருக்கு, அதை நம்ம வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். பட் வெரஸ் நீங்க கம்ப்ளீட்டா நீங்க வந்து வாட் இஸ் தட் கொஞ்சம் ஆயிலியா இருக்க மாதிரி கிளாஸியா இருக்க மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்றது, it will not give any benefits. Okay, so don't do that. I applied a kind of lip base. It will take time. அது கொஞ்சம் செட் ஆகட்டும், ஃபுல்லா ட்ரை ஆகட்டும், then I'll again reapply the lipstick. Within that meanwhile I'll apply the mascara. You can use lashes, but for this look lashes will be too much. But if you're going for any event or any parties, yes, you can wear a very subtle lashes. In market we have pretty good lashes, very natural lashes we are getting in market, so just get those lashes and yeah, you can fix it. எப்போ lashes வைக்கும்போது lower lashes மறந்துடாதீங்க, very very important. ஒரு underrated ஆன ஏரியா மேக்கப்ல, பட் it will give extraordinary look. ஸோ இன்கேஸ் என்னோட ஐ ரொம்ப வந்து குட்டியான ஐ கிடையாது, ஸோ நான் வந்து பிளாக் லைனரே நான் வந்து காஜலை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். இஃப் யூ ஹாவ் அ வெரி ஸ்மால் ஐ, திஸ் ஐ வில் பி beautiful for you, but only one correction you have to do. நீங்க வந்து லைனருக்கு means you have to use white kajal. இன்னும் அது அந்த ஐ வந்து பாப் அப் பண்ணி காட்டும், or nude cream kajal. Okay, so now I'm going to apply lipstick. Can you make the face lifted up by inches? Yes, we can do Brinda, we can do. ஸோ நீங்கள் ஃபேஸ் வந்து லிஃப்டடாகவும் ஆக்கலாம், நீங்கள் ஃபேஸை வந்து ட்ரூப்பியாகவும் ஆக்கலாம். பை மிஸ்டேக் ட்ரூப்பியாகவும் ஆக்க முடியும், நிறையா மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் வந்து அப்படி தான் நடக்கும். ஃபேஸை லிஃப்ட்டும் பண்ண முடியும். அண்ட் யூ ஆஸ்ட் அ கொஸ்டின், டேப்பிங்க்கும் பிளெண்டிங்க்கும் என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டீங்க. பிளெண்டிங் இஸ் சம்திங், importantly it's about brushes as well. Okay, so இது வந்து ஒரு நேச்சுரல் ஃபைபர் brushes. இதில் நீங்கள் வந்து ஐ மேக்கப் பண்ணும்போது you will use this motion. ஸோ அதை வந்து நம்ம வந்து பிளெண்டிங்னு சொல்லுவோம். we will blend two color, ரெண்டு ஷேடை நம்ம வந்து மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம். it is called blending. Whereas if you are going to use such brush, this is called stippling brush, and as I said before, this is called kapoki brush. If you are going to blend the product using this, அதாவது நம்ம உள்ள இருக்க ப்ராடக்ட் வெளியில இருக்க ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து பிளெண்ட் பண்ண மாட்டோம், ஒரு அப்ளிகேஷன் தான் அது. அந்த டெக்னிக் வந்து we will call it as stippling னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேவா? So we will not blend any product, just we will apply பண்ணிட்டு டைரக்டா அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்றது வந்து நம்ம வந்து dabbing னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, so I mean the highlighting area. Ma'am, yeah, we can lift the face basically. How to identify fake product? நல்ல ஷாப்ல வாங்குங்க, அப்படி நம்ம so yeah, can you see my lipstick? Actually I'm very much fond of this lip shade. I can go out with this lip, but just to give intense I'm using, and never ever use lip gloss. நீங்க வந்து ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு transfer proof makeup பண்ணும்போது you can't use lip gloss. That's one worst technique to do. Yes, matte is good. If you are going to use kind of crayon type lipstick, nothing is wrong in that. You can apply. Adukku mela you can use a setting powder. Compact, I always use MAC. I always have 3 shades in compact: light, medium and dark. I'll set the makeup with compact powder. Means I'll complete the makeup with compact powder. Okay. Hi Harifa. This is tiny lipstick from Sugar. Enkita matte what is that, matte lipsticks enkita inda collections irukku. I have only nude shades enoda matte lipstick ellame romba nude shades da irukku, so that's the reason I used this one. Now first la irundhe na edume pannave illa. For my eyebrows, just I'm going to touch my eyebrows. I'm not going to play more on it. Just filling the eyebrows. Na perisa iniki corrections pannala eyebrows because I did my eyebrows couple of days back. Hi Ganga. Hello Sumi. I used Sugar. Harifa used Sugar lipstick and I current lipstick use panna. Not much. All I need is just a filling on my eyebrows. That's more than enough. Eyebrows ku na enna use pandrena, and PAC oda gel use pandren, deep brown use pandren. Never use black, never ever. Thank you Priyamati. Surely Devi, surely we will do nude makeup. So yeah, how was the look? Is it perfect? Just one little correction I'll do. I'll wear mask and I'll show you as well. very quick correction. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you, Lavisha. Nam, you're using so many products, still flawless skin. No, I'm not using so many products. I don't wear makeup regularly. I don't wear makeup. So yeah. Thank you, Sumi. Thank you, Fatima. Thank you, Ganga. Thank you, Vimala. Thank you, Rohini. Thank you, Lata. So I'm not against the makeup. What was that? I'm not against the makeup candy, chocolate, shiny, Rupina. I'm not totally against the makeup. I'm actually into makeup, but still wearing regular makeup, wearing regular foundation will not help you out. As I always say, stick with proper skincare regime. That is very important. I strictly follow my skincare. Whatever the crisis may be, whatever the problem may be, I'll never skip that. So that's the thing. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll wear my mask and I'll show you. I have a different type of mask here because we will wear different type of mask, right? So that's the reason. Here I'm using a mask. Okay. So as I said before, நம்ம eye மட்டும்தான் pop up ஆயிட்டு தெரிய போகுது. So look at my eyes. என்னோட eyes நான் ரொம்பவே pop up பண்ணி நான் வந்து காமிச்சிருக்கேன். Just using the basic mattifying product, very basic product, and we have a thought that நம்மளுக்கு வந்து shimmers use பண்ணாதான் pop up ஆகும். It's not like that. It's not at all like that. So be very conscious. You have to use this. Okay. Nothing. Seri Ritesh.
Inga puttu varuvama.
Venna Ritesh.
Ha?
Can you see? So I'll use the next mask. You all should do the same thing. Click photo, click video and send me. Tag us. It's perfect, right? The eyes are looking really great. And see, nothing happened here. It's all about proper layering up. It's totally all about that. Nothing has transferred. Look at this. It's clean. Can you see? It's clean, and I didn't remove any product. And as you all saw from the beginning, பார்க்குறவங்க எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்தே எனக்கு வந்து வேர்த்துட்டே தான் இருக்கு because of the thing is not going right here in AC இல்லைங்க. So but still I applied makeup and everything is perfect. Okay. Makeup வந்து மாஸ்க்ல எதுலயுமே படவே இல்லை. I wear mask, nothing. நான் உங்க முன்னாடி தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். It's just a light. Okay. So everything is proper because I did the layering up properly. So நீங்க வந்து ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல், நீங்க எப்படி வேணா மேக்கப் பண்ண முடியும். You can do a makeup just by using a very normal product, but it's not the case. நீங்க எப்படி layering up பண்றீங்க, அந்த மேக்கப் எப்படி கலையாம இருக்கு. That's very 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 important here, right? Got it? So whatever doubts you have, you can ask us. Kindly kindly do makeup and send us the video, send us the photo, recreate this look. எனக்கு eyes pop up பண்ணி காட்டுங்க. wear mask, without mask and with mask எனக்கு photo எடுத்து அனுப்புங்க. Okay, anything else? Shall we wind up? Any doubts you have? Okay, thank you Lata, thank you Sharmila. I use PAC spray, Fatima. I use that. Thank you, Roslyn. Thank you, Brinda. Surely we will do nude makeup. We will come with, just check our page, EMI. Winnie. Just check our page, Winnie. We are giving regular skincare tips and hair tips. Just check our page. Thank you Reshma, thank you Sasi. Surely we will do nude makeup, thank you, thanks a lot. Wear mask, always wear mask, get vaccinated. Bye, love you all, bye, stay safe, bye.